All right, y'all. So I'm about to do a review on. They're called Pakupang. What's the flavor? It says Pakupang thin rusk sour cream and onion. And they look good. You see how they look? Oh, that thick. Alright, so this is how it looks. It's like more like a biscuit chip. Oh, it's good. They do taste like sour cream and onion. But they're drier than the chip. They really taste like a biscuit chip. Like, you can't. Oh. Very good. Give it a 9 out of 10. Yeah. I wouldn't eat the whole bag unless I have something to drink, because they get my mouth kind of dry. But yeah, they're good. They really taste like sour cream and onion. But you wouldn't want to eat these with a sandwich. That's what I'm saying. All right, AB, out.